Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, we are going to talk about AI tools that I've just stumbled upon regarding this post. It's from Nitin Sharma. Shout out to him. Thank you so much for this blog post. Anyway, we're gonna talk about that. As you can see in the title, it's gonna be Goodbye ChatGPT and Bard. So, Nitin gave us a few AI here to check out. So, first one is gonna be Opera 1. Second one is Doro AI, and so on and so forth. I actually have them open right here already. But before we get started, I'm going to ask you kindly to grab a piece of paper, a pen, a pencil would do, even the notepad on your PC, just like this one, or handy dandy notepad, right? So just please note your steps here, whatever you have here. Technically, there isn't any steps. I'm sorry about that, but important notes should be written here, so you have time or notes to review if you want. So let's get started, okay? So the very first AI tool that I found here is going to be Opera 1. Now, what is Opera 1 specifically? Just think of it as Siri that has been combined or introduced on the Opera browser. Now, if you're like me, that I'm not that aware of Opera browser because I never use it, I only use Microsoft Edge, and from time to time, I use Google Chrome. Now, what is Opera browser? It is the same as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. I'm not sure if it's still there though, or Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. That is Opera browser. Now, Opera 1 is specifically for Opera browser only. It's the same features, the same use as Siri that is installed on the Mac OS. Now, think of it as you can talk to it, you can ask anything about it. Now, let's just open it right here because there is a specific feature that is only for Opera 1. Siri, Google doesn't have this one. So, what is it? It's gonna be this very efficient and distinct um, aesthetic looking slick style, whatever you call it, organized tabs. As you can see here, they're very sleek looking, they're very aesthetic, they're actually very clean looking. Now, if you're like me, that if you have a clean workplace, or you have a very organized workplace, productivity level is going up. So this is the only thing that's different from Opera 1 and Siri. Those tabs right there, you can either collapse it, expand it as you may. Now, after this one, the only feature it offers is it's gonna be called. Let me just scroll it down right here. Where is it? I think it's gonna be Aria or Area. There you go. Aria Browser AI. It's a pre-installed AI browser, or it's a pre-installed AI software within Opera 1. It's just the same as ChatGPT, Bard, within specifically for Opera browser only. That is Opera 1. That is the exact definition of it. You can download it by clicking this button right here if you're on this landing page. Now, if you want to copy the landing page, of course, just pause the video. It's going to be www.opera.com/1. If you're here, just click on this one. Again, you need to have Opera browser to use this Opera 1 feature. Okay? Now, moving on to the next application, that will be Doro AI. I'm afraid I closed it earlier. However, let's just try opening it right now. Now, what is Doro AI? For all of those freelancers out there, this is for you. Doro AI is an AI tool that helps you build your website from scratch. You heard me right, it's an AI tool that helps you build your website. Now, it's actually loading right now. While it's loading, let's go back to the blog post. Not only can Doro AI assist you in creating a website within minutes, but it also offers an array of additional features that will blow your mind. Picture this: generative 3D interaction, advanced animation, and so much more. Now think of it as ChatGPT and Bard combined that is specifically used for creating your website. If you're using Wix before, as the same as mine, I am actually using Wix for my website. Anyway, if you're using that one as well, might as well try Dora AI. However, as of now, it's not yet released in the public. It has a waitlist. How to join the waitlist? Just click on this one right here and just log in to your Google account. Guys, please take note. Write it on your little handy dandy notepad right there. Right here, make sure your Gmail account is active. Okay? I'm going to emphasize it as I can. Make sure the Gmail account you use on this waitlist is active. You have access to it and it's not suspended. Because they're going to email you a code or a notification that you're free to use or you're okay to use Dora AI now. Now, this is one thing that I love about this website. As you can see here on the upper right section, there is this feature that can check spot. What does it mean by that? It's gonna help you, or it's gonna check your spot on the line for the AI. Now, please correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first time that I've encountered this kind of feature. Before, you can only join the waitlist and that's it. You can never, ever check what time or when will that AI be available to you for use. Okay? So try it out. This is the website. It's going to be www.zora.run/AI. Excuse me about that. Now, moving on. Let me just remove the Dora and Opera One application. Now, moving on, Perplexity AI. So we're all familiar for ChatGPT and Bard, right? The two remarkable AI chatbot that can greatly enhance productivity and help us tackle tasks more efficiently. Now, I'm gonna introduce Perplexity AI. The best one I've come so far, let me tell you, it surpasses all my expectation. First, this is the first and one thing that I love about it. You don't even need to log in or sign up to use it. Exactly as you read it. Let's go to it right now. This is Perplexity. This is the landing page, and to go to it, just type in www.perplexity.ai. Now, I've said that the only thing that I like about it is there's no signing up option needed. However, if you notice the background, the look, the how it looks like ChatGPT. The black background, the dark theme, it really looks like ChatGPT. Even the Try Pro version on the lower left side, it's here. Again, it's the same theme, it's the same look at ChatGPT. However, the only difference is, let's go back to the website. It says here that Perplexity has an insurance access, so you can ask for the latest information without any worries about outdated data. So Perplexity gives you the most updated, the most recent data of the questions or the query you have. Just type anything here. For example, what happened to the Titanic submarine? Or Titan, I'm sorry. Easy as that. Give it a go. Enter right there. Wait for it to finish. As you can see here, the Titan submersible, operated by OceanGate and so on and so forth, is the answer. Please note that there are numbers here. When you click on them, they have this specific citation, each of which is get from specific websites. It even has a implosion video on YouTube. That is what I love about Perplexity. This option or this feature right here is the interest, the cherry on top on Perplexity. Okay? Now let's just close it right now, and the last one will be Palette. Now what is Palette? For all of those Instagram lovers out there, you may want to try this out. It's as easy as going to this website, palette.fm, and log into it. You can either log in to get those tools, to get the features to the max. However, if you want to use it for free without logging in, you can just upload your image right here. Let me just upload this sample image I got from the internet. And as you can see, there are specific color palettes on the upper section. Now, I can choose whatever I want here. It's just like using Instagram. I'm sure we are all familiar regarding Instagram editing features, right? Choose whatever effects you want. It's easy as clicking as 1, 2, 3 here. Now, if you're if you're satisfied, I mean, on your editing feature, just click on download right here. However, please note that if you click on download, you're gonna have 539 by 360 free resolution. If you click on HD right here, you're gonna pay for it, but with a higher resolution. Even though you see 539 by 360 here, this is not what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a higher resolution if you pay for this image right here. Please take note on that, okay? Let me just move on the next application. It's gonna be called Lovelace. Now, Lovelace, what is it? It is a platform for all of the gamers, creators, or coding out there. As you can see here, it's still on the pre-register phase. It's as easy as clicking whatever you want and making it into the game. For all the developers out there, imagine just typing, I want a Mario game that has a Luigi blue on it or a Luigi wearing blue. It will give you that exact game that you want. Just join the waitlist right here, register. It's just like any other waitlist, okay? And let's just wait for it because for me personally, I am very excited on this platform. Now moving on, Skybox. Actually, apart from Perplexity, this is one of the best AI tools I have right here. Imagine everything here. Sci-fi, advanced, or even realistic. I'm just gonna go sci-fi right here. I'm gonna type in spaceship. Easy as that. Click on generate. Now, you're familiar with Midjourney, right? I have a video about Midjourney. Just check it out. Midjourney is the image creation tool that you can use for your Shopify, your Pinterest, whatever sales you have. Now take a look at this one. It's gonna be Skybox. Wait for it to load, wait for it to finish. I just type in spaceship, right? Please take note that I just typed in spaceship and I just chose sci-fi. And lo and behold, I have a spaceship from sci-fi. It's as easy as pie. You can even do a 360 about it. Now, you can download it from here or share it to your friends. Let me just check my recording right here. Everything should be good. Now you can sign up here for free using your Gmail. Again, please make sure it's an active email account. And with that said, again, thank you for this guy right here. His name is Nitin Sharma. And thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.